Hi, EPIC students. Today I want to show you how to use the EPIC Math Coach website. This is going to be really helpful if you are struggling in math, if math is not your totally favorite thing in the world. Here are some great resources and tips you can use to help you with those lessons. So we have this website called EPIC Math Coach, and I actually have it bookmarked. We also have a science coach and an ELA coach, but today I want to show you the Math Coach website. When I send this to you in an email, I will link the site. So I recommend going to it and then bookmarking it, which you can do by clicking on this little star. And you can put it in your own folder, make a separate folder or whatever. Hit done, and then it'll be right along this bookmark toolbar with all of your other bookmarks. So this is the Epic Coach site. And you can see a link here to get to the science one or the ELA one. So what I recommend, first of all, if you are a junior, you can find out, you can get a lot of ACT prep through this page. But let's say this has lessons for any kind of lesson, any grade, any math course. So you can go over to more, whether you were in third, fourth grade, all the way down to Algebra 1 and 2 and geometry. So let's go into geometry. Let's say I'm a 10th grader and I'm having trouble with my geometry lessons. I need some extra help. So in addition to, I've talked to my teacher, I have done a homework help session, I've been doing IXL, I'm doing my core, but I need some extra help. What I would do is I'm open the geometry tab and I'm going to click this arrow here. And within my core, whatever core I'm in, it's going to give me a topic that I'm studying right now. So if it's been the first couple weeks of school, I'm probably still in this conditional statements, but whichever lesson I'm in, I can click on it. And it's going to tell me, first of all, the Study Island lesson that I could go to take the Study Island quiz in there and get practice on it. And there's also a video. There is an entire Epic Math Coach channel, which I recommend subscribing to on your YouTube channel. And then this is going to lead you through an entire lesson. It's 18 minutes long about conditional statements. And you can see here all the videos that are offered for geometry. And so this would be a great thing to watch, follow along, and then once you get it, guys, you may not even have to do your lesson within the core or within IXL. You might just be able to go straight to the quiz and finish it that way. So I hope that helps. Let's go back and look at some other options. Let's say I'm in 8th grade and I'm needing help with exponential expressions. So again, it tells me the exact Study Island lesson I could look at. And here is a YouTube video for that. So she works through this whole lesson with you. It's super helpful. And I think that'll be a great resource for if you guys are needing help with math. There's also formula sheets on here. We won't really go into that until state testing, but this does show you what you will get to use on your test, on your state test. There's a lot of other info on here, but this More tab is mainly what you guys will be able to access and need to access. Okay, thanks.